Hey there, in this video I'm going to quickly go over how to utilize Outscraper to generate local business leads from Google Maps. This is a pretty good tool to this one's probably the most popular one with regards to Google Maps scraping for local business leads. So I just thought I'd make a quick video about it. So what this does is it's going to check out so it's going to query by the categories, right? So if you weren't aware, Google, when you're on Google Maps and you're making something on Google Maps, you have to be categorized under a certain type of category. So you have a lot of these categories over here. So general contract. So for example, chiropractor, if I do chiropractor, right? And then I do chiropractor, so actually you can just see it, they'll have a category over here, right? So you have chiropractor, and the categories is what it's referring to. So if I type in, chiropractor over here, it's going to do that, right? If I try to type in something random, it's not going to query, right? So you have that, and the next bit is going to be the states. I wouldn't do all of it at once. I would do maybe a popular city like New York, right? So New York, just to see what the data looks like. And then, so this is just New York City, New York, right? And then after that, it's going to be maximum results limit. 0 is for unlimited. This is if you want to scrape whatever this tool can find with regards to chiropractors in New York, specifically in New York City, New York, right? Because we selected that. And then what do you actually want out of this? Do you want the emails and contacts? Do you want the company insights? Do you want phone owners? You probably do want to delete emails with duplicates. And then if you're doing code outbound via email, maybe you want to do ignore without emails, right? And then advanced parameters is going to be over here. I don't really use this much, but pretty much what this is going to also do is give you a quote. So if you click on get data, so for example, let's see over here, it's going to scrape anywhere from 730 to 48818, which is going to cost about this much to that much, right? And it also gives you the average estimates. Sometimes these are correct, sometimes these are way off, right? So for the sake of this example, I'm just going to put 50 over here, and it's going to come back, or actually 100, let's say. It's just a decent sample size to get some data coming in. And then, it's going to cost about that much for that many. So I'm going to go ahead and hit confirm. And what that's going to do is indicate that it's sent, and then to see the progress, navigate to the tasks page, right? So I've gone ahead and navigated to the tasks page. I've filtered also by chiropractor over here, just so that I have it over here. And what that's going to do is state that the task has been running. And I believe it depends on the amount of data that they're scraping, the amount of time that it takes to scrape. So we're going to have to wait a bit, and then it's going to come back with a bunch of data, okay? Okay, cool. So it's finished downloading. I'm going to go ahead and download the Google Maps data. Great. So after that, you want to go over here, and then just simply import that over here. Then you have chiropractors, open that. Okay. Now, this makes sense of the data over here. Now, the main things that you want to keep your eye on is going to be subtypes. It's going to be category, as well as type, right? You want to make sure that it's not completely out of place here. Sometimes it can be, right? Because it's not, something wrong with Outscraper. It's just how the Google algorithm works. Sometimes it will give you adjacent categories, not the category that you're looking for, but this looks pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and look over here. So what you have over here are, the subtypes, the category, and the type. You have the name over here. You have the business name over here. So if I go over here, this is the website. And what it's actually also going to do is extract the the emails over here. So emails are over here. So you have all of the emails, the full names, you have the phone numbers, you have a bunch of social profiles as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And then of course you'd want to put this into a million verifier or something of that nature in order to verify the emails if you're doing outbound by that. And you know, that's pretty much it. Pretty simple tool, pretty easy to use tool. I do recommend it.